Well, this truck is above average for the salt belt. It's worth fixing. Just has a few minor cracks there. Well, we were working really hard at restoring this truck. She braced it up with wooden bolts, some deck screws. Oh yeah, we worked real hard restoring this family heirloom pickup truck we got, and that's for our roll bars. Helps brace the cab to the frame even better than factories. So yeah, this is quite a pickup truck. It's had a good life, good hard life, you know. You live in the salt belt. Oh, with the theory of forklifts, I'm gonna put all a counterbalance at the back, so then that way you can see the integrity of the frame to make sure this is gonna last as a plow truck. Oh yeah, a little rusted, you know. We found a couple blind mechanics and they wouldn't even give a safety on this truck. It's just completely rotten. So we had to improvise, and we're gonna get something else figured out. You know, like some of the least of the problems of your worries on this pickup truck is, you know, it's got mice living in the door panels, and you know, this truck's been well maintained, and you know, it can only go a million clicks, and after that it's done, you know. So we got to figure something else out for this ride, you know. Well, I got this old family recipe for doing paper mache and fiberglass for fixing floors, but you know, the snow's doing a pretty good job of filling the holes in this old box, but you know, kind of unsafe. Got vegetation growing, so we better do something with this truck before it just returns to the earth again. Just a little sketch. It's got lots of integrity left in it. Look at it. So gonna put it back in service as a plow truck, as that's what this truck's done its whole life. So first we want to test it out and make sure it's gonna do another couple more winters. So we got a series of tests how to make sure you got a good plow truck. Oh yeah, that's a nice fix there. Roadside fix for fixing your tie rods. Or maybe not, maybe just a temporary fix to get something out of the bush, maybe. Well, the motor's definitely passing the test. Just purring like a kitten. Ready for the races. She's a racing snowplow removal special. This way you know exactly when you need to go for fuel. Fuel gauges always lie. Fuel gauges always lie because they're, you know, when you're going back and forth, the fuel sloshing around. This is accurate. You can get down to the last second of snow plowing with this method. That's all you gotta do. Then you know exactly how much fuel you got. And then this is like better NASCAR. You can have an onboard jerry can. There you go. Fuel distribution mastered. That way you never have to stop for a break. Just keep the wheels moving, keep plowing.
Hey, come on back, just a couple feet. Nice and easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. A little too far. Alright, come on back. Slow. 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 Whoa!
Well, now we're doing redneck launches just to make sure this powertrain's working good.
So these two cannot be left unattended apparently.
This has got the rare option that your items go below the floor level of your box. It gets you more cargo. Oh yeah, that's testing the integrity of the box sides. Look at that, straight as factory. Well, everything we could, we threw at it. The frame is still pretty dang good considering it's fixed with wood. That was a previous video. If you don't believe, just go back a little ways and watch it. And I fixed it with wood, goofing around. So there you go.
Align the frame with the skid steer, get it all true.
height certificate.
We're gonna try to mend it a bit more surgically. Oh, she's straightening it right up.
Is that working?
Yeah. Gonna put it in your straightening blocks.
Oh yeah. Look at that nice down side.
Nice.